MM, a public corporation owned by the Milanese municipality, manages the water supply network of the city of Milan, with its 1.5 million residents and 500,000 city users. That is to say, people who commute to Milan every day to work or do business. We are working to convert all of our networks, the aqueduct and sewer systems, into smart networks. Capable of self-diagnosis, capable of providing operating data 24 hours a day, and capable of anticipating any possible issues through early warning and automatic control systems. The sewer system of Milan extends for more than 1,400 kilometers and is telecontrolled by means of 350 points for monitoring system flow rates, levels, and potential critical issues. Today we're observing a truly important installation. The data loggers being installed are endowed with ultrasonic level measurement sensors, which automatically transmit recorded data to a remote server, and georeferenced GIS, which enables us to verify the position of the control point and to obtain the recorded figure relating to the flows entering the sewer system in real time. More specifically, what we're going to see today is a system serving the Sforzesco Castle in Milan and a series of neighboring users, which enable us to analyze the lifting systems, to control the levels of the canals and the outflow rates. All the data transmitted to a remote server can be analyzed to draw up a water report of the various districts making up the Milanese sewer system, but also to verify any anomalous flow rates, illegal dumping, or other incongruous situations. The project also contemplates the installation of software to enable the remote management of applications for the prompt control of acquired data. The data acquired through the data loggers installed on the field will be displayed by means of a web platform. This is a level measurement sensor connected to a data logger that enables the exchange of information on the network. By clicking on the data logger, we see that the data logger indicates the internal temperature, the flow rate, and level in the sewer collector in real time, at weekly, daily, monthly, or quarterly intervals. As well as the flow rate reading in cubic meters per hour, we can monitor the level and temperature inside the collector. The city of Milan is one of the 100 cities worldwide involved in the Rockefeller Foundation project called 100 Resilient Cities to develop a resilient city, a resilience that is also applied to the sewer system for its ability to withstand stressful events such as sudden downpours or variations in flow rate. The project to install 350 measurement points makes sewer flow rate monitoring smart and technologically advanced, allowing us to interact promptly and verify the flow rates heading for the various sewage treatment plants so that pre-warnings may be issued.